Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Good morning, Mike. All right, it's looking like we're having some typical Monday, or not Monday, but New York session price action. Good moves last night. Made some good money on these evals. Got my pro account. I haven't touched it yet. I'm just going to focus on building the army before I really try to make any funded money. Same thing here on my traders launch. Two going. All right, good morning. How we doing, guys? See on the hourly chart, we're kind of stuck in this flag pattern, trading within London and the Asian range. Hey, good morning, Eric, Marco, Alfred, Mr. Krister. No, I'm good. I slept like a rock. Was I pretty toasted? I think I was. I drank some strong beer. That maple syrup beer had a little bit had a little bit too much of that with the light beer. I'm okay. I'm not gonna drink for a while. So far, all my accounts are green too. I didn't trade anymore after I caught those moves up last night. How about you guys? Are doing okay? Good morning, Vink. Just crypto. So I'm going to focus on building up the army instead of trying to focus too much on getting funded payout money. I just want to get a whole bunch of accounts passed and then try to trade the right way. Same thing on my traders launch. I got two here. This one hit the target. This one I'm down about 500. I get some payouts here and here. Then I think I might go for a bigger traders launch account and maybe some trade day too. Just get a whole bunch of daily payout accounts. Yeah, I got the Pro. I'm not gonna focus on it though, Eric. I'm gonna keep focusing on building up the empire, the army. Oh, once again, New York price action is not looking good. I do need to lose 52 bucks here, so we'll do that. All right, the open is here. Wrong account. Trying to lose. Do this. Perfect. Whoa. Jeez. The hell is this? Come on. What? No, every trade turning out to be a loser. Fuck. What? Yes, go, go, go. Boom. There we go. We're back, baby. We'll take one dip by here. Come on. Ah, fuck me. Damn it. There we go. All right, now I need 700. Hey, good morning, iTrades. All right. All right, now I need 100. We'll do it with some micros. 100 bucks. Perfect. I need to lose 7 now. Uh, we'll take a dip by here. First pro account trade. Come on, shoot it back up. Did it? Ah, lock that in because it's not ripping. Yeah, but we got it done, Eric. You never done that before? All right, let's take a break. Not trade the pro just yet. There's nothing good here. All right, probably gonna come down and test the Asia lows here. Right. I don't like this price action. I'm gonna come back down. Oh, we up 500 now. Take a break. All right, I'd like to make some progress on these now. What do you mean? Meet the consistency rule. There's no consistency on the funded. I can make whatever. This is the pro account. These are evals. Good luck. We're kind of in the middle of this big range here. It's unclear. My goal today is just to not blow up the pro account. I just want to get out of eval trading. So get a bunch passed, and then hopefully don't have to trade in evals. I feel like I'm always in let's get some funded accounts passed mode. If that makes sense. Just want to get out of that mode. All right, so I'm gonna go. I just want to have a whole bunch of daily payout accounts. I'll probably get Traders Launch, fully funded, TPT, and then Tradeday is looking good too. I still like the idea of doing Lucid and Tradeify with the end of day drawdown accounts, just so I can have some good disciplined accounts there. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. Actually, the buffer for the 150K is 4,500. Then go 10 days, get 5K. I'm gonna go long here. Oh, come on. This one's down 500, so I'm kind of hoping to catch some momentum up. And of course, it fucking crashes on me. You bastard. This one might blow up. NQ's being mean right now. Oh, come on. Wow. Didn't even get one tick of profit on that one. That was a quick. No follow through. All right, let's buy the dip down here maybe. take 920. Um, probably gonna stay in this range here. All right, almost halfway. We're over halfway. I need 800 again. I'll go for another short scalp. No. Oh, don't you dare. That's all we get in the New York session now. I actually thought this was going to be some continuation down. I thought we were going to come down and test the lows again. Big swing and chop. That's all it is. Oh, man. Maybe I just take this loser. Oh, wait. We're getting lucky. It's coming back. Save me, chop. Could break the highs, though. Damn it. This is where me only having access to 5 micros on these accounts is good, because then I can get out of some drawdown. Here we go. Will let me out. Right here, it was gonna let me out. Ah, tease. Wait, here we go. Push, 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 push. Push. Oh my god, right to my entry. It does the song and dance thing again. Okay, come on down. Yeah, here we go. Phew, let me out. No. What? Uh, yes. Whew. All right, now I need 111 bucks. This is Trader's launch. I got out just because it's whipping around, but now I only need 111. I'm going to try to get it with no more than 2 micros. The system will stop me out at 800 bucks. We're in eval passing mode. So far, we're 2 for 3. Okay, these two are halfway. This one is almost 80% of the way. And then I'll just need to make 400 bucks tomorrow. I should have left the whole thing, but at one point I was down 500. I'm not going to buy. Yeah, I'm not. This one actually looks like it wants to keep breaking the lows here. The London and the Asian low is being tested right here. You guys can see. See if it'll crack this low here. That's the beauty of these accounts that I picked. I only have access to 5 micros. So, and I only have access to trading the New York session. So it kind of cuts out the over trading because I can't trade at night. I can only trade New York, which lately New York has been like this, but I only have access to 5 micros. So if I get in a little bit of trouble, like in the chop, like I did here, the risk of ruin is much smaller. If I had them on 2 minis or like on the other account, it definitely would have blown up. All right, I'm gonna take a momentum short here, 2 micros. Just need 111 bucks. Oh, now it wants to bounce. Overshoot the low, come back up maybe. Damn it. Why is this last 100 bucks? Last $100 always have to be bad timing on my part again. Let's try. Please push back down just a little bit. Oh man, I've done it again. No, let me out. Maybe I take this $100 L because it's starting to rip again. I thought we had clearly broken the lows. This is 2 times I've done this. Fuck. Unbelievable, man. All right, I'm gonna take my $150 loser there. It stings, but this thing looks like it wants to keep ripping again. It's a good thing I got out. Look at this. All right, we'll go long, I guess. He wants to go high. Let's let it go high. If it drops again, I'm gonna be so pissed. There we go. Long and strong, baby. Quick scalp though, because it could backflip again. I'll take that. Yeah, I agree, guys. Hell yeah. 100%. All right. I'll go long again. It's just in quick chop, see profit, take profit kind of trading. Right here. I'll take some profit right here. Quick profit. If they'll give it to me. No? Are you serious? It's like my entry is a trampoline to bounce off. All right, here we go. Come on. Oh man. What? There. All right, now I need $60. Okay. Do I dare short for my $60 here? 1 micro? Let's do it. I might DCA. We're gonna do one at a time. If we can get it done with one, that's great. We do have a lower high here. This might be another lower high. Come back down. Something like these. All right, give me my 60 bucks. There we go. Booyah. Hell yeah. Now tomorrow I only need to make, they don't care if I go over the 40%. So this extra 45 bucks makes it easier for me tomorrow. Now I just need to make 355 bucks tomorrow, and then we'll have this account sim funded. That's one, two. All right, I need to work on another one. Yeah, investors, but when it's chopping like this, the best way to trade is by picking tops and bottoms in the chop. And I find it very difficult to put a limit order there somewhere and nail the top or bottom. So I'd rather DCA and build that position to get that limit order entry with a good average price that way. Plus, these accounts, like I was saying earlier, I only have access to 5 micros and I can't over leverage. I mean, even though it's a 1K drawdown, I can't over leverage like I could with the 2 minis like I was doing on the other account. My goal is to pass a bunch of accounts and then get out of eval purgatory. So I was trying to nail this top and bottom here. Now, when I get the funded account, I'm not going to DCA at all. All right, so far I'm up 500 on the pro. These two are halfway. I need to lose 29 bucks here. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I have to go and change the risk. Really want to win. Damn, I hate when I do that. Now I have to go change it again. All right, perfect. Well, actually, yeah, that's good enough. Trying to make 30 bucks real quick. Now I need to lose 40. This is annoying. Damn it. Keep winning. All right, now I need to lose 13 bucks. It's gonna win. Perfect. That's good enough. That way I don't mess it up. Good enough. All right, is this true momentum here? It's hard to trust any of these moves, right? What do you mean shortchange yourself with a $500 day? I don't think I'm doing any nanos. How do I adjust the bracket orders now? Do I have to do this? Looks like the bears are trapped here and it wants to just keep going up, but then again, we could just be hitting a brick wall and dropping again. I'm gonna go short. This one's already not working. Dope. It's not going back down. Come on, drop. All right, I'm gonna take the safe exit. Yeah, I understand what the account you're talking about. What do you mean, though? Short trends? I don't understand what you mean by that. All right, we're going back to micros. Yeah, you can. I don't know if nano contracts are working. Like, is anybody trading them? There's no volume. NQ right here. All right, got two micros here. We're going for some limit order trading. It's not really doing it, huh? Looking for a big drop. some small wins here. Let's give me that. Not doing it though. I'll take that. All right, let's try right here. Oh, come on. All right, we'll take that. We're up 1,000 now. Let's go. Take a break here. So choppy in the New York session now. You guys like this? I mean, I guess it's kind of good for what I've been doing, in and out, in and out. There's no real confidence holding anything though. Hey, it's a good thing I took my profit. I got out right here. I shorted the top, got out here. I just locked myself out for 15 minutes, so I can't I can't overtrade as much. Yeah, definitely not. Good price action. All right, I'll be right back. All right, looks like longs are in control. It's a good thing I got it because I would have probably kept trying to short that thing. Ugh. see. I'm just waiting for my indicator prints. There we go. We got one. I'm locked out for now. All right, if I get enough likes and people in here, I'll do giveaways, of course. I gave one last night. I didn't even really have good numbers, but it's okay. Twister won a Trader's Launch account. You see, I hooked him up yesterday. He got his account. I've already hit my Trader's Launch goal for the day. I just need to make 350 tomorrow. Yeah, I did do a giveaway last night. That's what I'm saying. He won the giveaway. Twister did. You can see yesterday, 8:59. Did you miss it? Did you get frustrated and leave early? I need some help on my stream, guys. Hitting the like, commenting, uh, being a subscriber, all that stuff helps. I might start doing more night streaming. It was fun though. I'm up 1,000 on my funded today. Boom. These are all green. I don't know why y'all watch anybody else. No, it's kind of boring. I made my money. What else is there to do? Do giveaways? Talk to y'all? How's your guys' day going? Oh, on your development, you are you trading a 50K, Alfred? That's a really good day. Hell yeah. There's no lockout button though on the live accounts, right? So you just gotta white knuckle it, so to speak. Oh man, I actually hope to get on the dev program. Tired of these trailing drawdown. I plan on milking these pro accounts as much as I can once they're at the buffer. I'm usually pretty good. Once I get to the buffer, believe it or not, I will hit the lockout button every time I have a decent green day. It's been a minute since I've done that, but that's why I'm doing these bigger accounts. I got rid of the 25K and 50K, and I'm already starting to have more success. Are you thinking about getting some bigger accounts again? Because if you pass 150K, they just move it straight to live, right? You'll get, what is it, 2,500 access to, I can't remember how many minis, but it's still a pretty good amount. All right, I'm unlocked out of my pro. It's just been up and down shop. Not really clear where we're going. We're kind of stuck here at the 600 like it's a magnet. I don't like it up here. I'm thinking about locking myself out again. Ugly. Every time I don't like the price action, I'm going to lock myself out 15. Yeah, no data for 2 days. I just like the no trailing and no buffer thing. That's pretty sweet. That's why I'm doing traders launch too. I really hope to get this one to the payout. The last two traders launch accounts I had, well, the one I had earlier this week, I passed it and I failed getting to the buffer. The one last week, I passed it, got to the buffer, but I didn't make $1 on the live account. It was an up and down battle for 2 days trying to get back to break even. And I lost that one. So now I have this one with only 5 micros access. And once you get to the live account, you can scale up. So I just figured it will be a good experiment for me to scale up with the size that they allow as I grow the account. So I'm really hoping, so far so good. Maybe I pass this thing tomorrow, get to the buffer, and maybe take a payout tomorrow even, and continue to grow it. Because you can get it on day 3 and then get to the buffer and then start making daily payouts here. I'm kind of liking the looks of Tradeday. So the rapid end of day, that's a daily payout account, right? They are now permanent now instead of limited time. All right, I'll look it up. I haven't really done much research or trading with my funded in a while. I'll check it out. It's just there's no consistency rule in the funded too. That's nice. No scaling plan. Can you make 100K? Is that what the lifetime, like on a pro account? Is it this one? How do I change to end of day rapid? Oh, duh. Okay, end of day, no consistency, no scaling. %30. Yeah, I don't like that I have to, I'm kind of trying to stay away from the small accounts. I like the regular rapid too and get one of these big boys. And 50%, that's not too bad. I just want big boy accounts from here on out. Maybe 100K. I like this one. I don't like that they have a 7-day inactivity rule, but I trade every day. You don't like the regular rapid? Is this intraday though? I guess it's not end of day, right? It's trailing drawdown. Yeah, real time. This is the, yeah, I didn't realize it was, I wish they could all just be end of day, right? No, it's a good suggestion. This is what I don't like. Have you passed a rapid, this one, and you passed it in what, 4 to 5 days? I'm always up for suggestions. Scaling rule, none. So this is nice. But then they have it here on the funded. Wait, no, there's no scaling. 3 contracts is still pretty good. I actually like this, but the annoying part is if you get to the funded and you blow up and you're like, damn, it took me, a whole week to pass. So the goal is 3K. You can make what, 900, 900, 900, and then 600, I think. That's a good game plan. I really want to get good at keeping accounts. Yeah, 900. I don't know why I was saying 600, 900, 900, and they upgrade you instantly, right? See, that's what I hate about TPT. You gotta wait until the end of the day, and then you have to wait. I had to wait until I got my credit. It's kind of a sneaky way to make it 4 days. I wonder how many people can't wait for the credit and then they pay for it. You'll get the credit eventually, but I wonder if you blow up, if you pay for the credit, do they still give you the credit? I want all those too, Eric. Lucid Daily. Yeah, I might get some Lucid daily payouts too. Let me look at the Lucid daily prices. You know, the intraday, if you have a big account, is not that bad. I just need to get some payouts. I've already spent too much this week. Hopefully we can get something going here. Yeah, that's why I like. Oh, you're right, Alfred. Come to think of it, that's not a bad game plan, and it's 90-10 split, and it does scale up in size. Or is it three minis is still good? Kind of helps you to not overtrade too. I mean, over leverage. The last couple times I tried to buy an account, it kept saying decline. Like even though I would send the code, my bank or my credit card will say, hey, we need to verify, and I would put in the verification code and it would still not go in. Really annoying. I only have problems with my funded futures doing that. the golden ticket, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, right? You know, they're probably gonna handpick whoever they give that golden ticket to. It's gonna be someone who blows up a lot and never gets payout. So I wouldn't I wouldn't worry. I wouldn't try to hope to be the golden ticket winner and sneaky marketing. All right. Good thing I got out of that one. When the timer goes out, I can. Why are you hoping I unlock it? Oh, here we go. Nice little rip. I was thinking about dip buying again, but I was feeling a little anxious there. So I locked myself out for a little bit. You can lock them only after it. You can't unlock it. So you lock it for the whole day, you're good. You can't mess it up. You lock for 30 minutes, I can't trade for 30 minutes. So I got 26 minutes left. You guys use lockout during the day whenever you start feeling worked up or revengeful. It helps me out a lot. As soon as I hit that lock button, my mind automatically is like, okay, we don't need to stress anymore. Whether it's 30 minutes or an hour, gives my nervous system a time to cool down. Honestly, everything has been going so much smoother this morning. Like yesterday, 2 days in a row, I'm just green everywhere. I don't really feel like I don't have much to do. It's a good feeling, I guess, right? It's all locked up here too. I can't mess it up. I guess I could go for another one of these, but I like to wait until payouts roll in. That's how I keep my ROI up. All right, here we go. It's still just climbing higher. I think I'm doing good because I'm not over trading. I started off getting warmed up with evals. That's what I'm going to start doing from here on out. Instead of, okay, I got a funded account, I'm going to trade that first, and then I mess up. I'm not in sync with the market. And then I'm like, all right, I guess I'll trade evals as a way to build the backups. So I'm doing it, I'm switching it up. I'm doing the other way around. What's next to do? I'm gonna go get some fresh air and go outside, I guess, for a little bit. Get some more coffee, maybe. I got a little tipsy last night. If you were here on the stream last night, you saw me pretty toasted. All right, let's go. Oh, time for some coffee. All right, I already did that. It's alrighty. How we doing, chat? You guys having a green day, chat? What's good, chat? All right, we get 50 people, 50 likes. I'll do a giveaway. Coming outside? Come on, Dougies. Looks like it's gonna rain today. Free accounts, I know, right? Who wants a free account? I've been doing giveaways when I have enough likes and people in here. needs an account, guys. Tell me your situations here. What's your strategy? Tell me your what's going on for the whole month. I'm still kind of hungover from yesterday. Feeling a little sluggish. I'm green everywhere though. That's all that matters. Yeah, you are a loyal person. You want to come on and stream with me, Eric? You can be a part of the TWT crew. I'll hook you up. I'm looking for someone who wants to work with me, maybe at night, kind of like the other streamers do. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. It's not a bad idea, right? I can hook you up with some evals. You want to stream? Take in a couple hours on the Asian session at night. Okay. I can hook you up with the indicator that I like and use if you want to. You were asking about it. You can be one of the first people to have it if you want to work with me. Well, it's two indicators actually. All right, guys. Just sitting back waiting. Got a little bit of a sell signal print here. But we've been steadily climbing up, staying above the London high. And we're right at the London high, almost. Climbing up to it, you know what I mean. Okay. All right, I'm unlocked in 1 minute, 50 seconds. We get 50 people and 50 likes. I will do giveaways. Unless you guys just want to go to other streams with 1,000 people to compete with. Go ahead. I see it in Discords too, like My Funded Futures, other Discords. People trying to win giveaways. You're going up against 1,000 plus people. Good luck. What a waste of time, really. Chances of winning are so low. I'm starting to think a lot of traders are not good at math. They're not really good with the numbers. More caught up in the hype. Well, I have people here that win multiple times. It's like, all right, here's the winner, and he won again. Or yesterday's winner was Twister. He got an account last night. Oh, look at this drop off. $20. Who else here? We got 25 loyal peeps up in here. I might just do a giveaway for you guys. 25 people. You'll have a really good chance of winning now. Who wants to do a giveaway? Type 1 down below. One person? Only 1 out of 30 wants a giveaway. Let's go short here. Once they keep dumping, I'm gonna let it. I don't know. Doesn't want to. I'll take my L. Now it's gonna dump. Good giveaway. What do you mean by that? There's not enough people? I'm just kind of curious to see who all's here. Hey, what's up, Zah? How we doing? Time for a dip buy? Come on. Crap. Getting beat up now. getting any love. Alright, I'm gonna try right here. Should have stuck with my original short bias. Man. Crap! Do it already. Gosh. Go. Fuck. Oh my god. Blast off. Go. 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 Yes. Finally. Now go. Send it. There, we can lock that in. I like my entry. All right. We bottom picked the bottom of the pullback here. I'm just gonna let this thing run. How should I do a giveaway here? How should we pick the winner? Okay. We got one person voting for Streamlabs. We still got to get 50 people up in here. We're getting close. 37. I had 12. It looks like it just wants to keep dumping now, huh? So we're going for a short. Not another fake out. We're going to stop calling this the New York session. We're going to call it the fake out session. Why did I flip short? I thought it was going to keep crashing. If it bounces here, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Okay, here we go. Just dump already. You're tired, Bowles. I know it. I can feel it. I'm tired too. Back to equity high, 1,200 bucks. All right. How many points does everybody got? I'm gonna gamble some here. 3,000 points. Okay, I lost. Let's do random number with the spinning wheel. Make it a little bit more fun. All right. Pick 10. I'm gonna let y'all pick 20 numbers. All right. All numbers between go and stop. 20 numbers. Man, that short trade would have worked out nicely if I just left it alone. If you pick more than 20, you were disqualified. I'm being nice. I'm letting you. If two people pick a winning number, we're gonna do a trade off. Y'all have better helped out with the like button too. My likes are looking low, guys. Only 31. I need help. All right, after I type stop, no more entries are valid. All right, stop. Check the number. Stop, stop, stop. Hit the confetti if you're ready. No confetti, no number picky. All right, here we go. If two people or more get the same number, then they do a trade-off. All right. We're spinning the wheel. $93. I have a feeling we probably found a winner, but who knows? And it looks like we have a winner. I just got to make sure this person didn't pick more than 20. No. Shameless Fiona. Let's count together. See, 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, Shameless Fiona. You got it. Congratulations, chat. Give it up for Shameless Fiona. Are you really a girl? I'm guessing you are, but maybe since it's the internet, we have a lot of people who are not really who they are. All right, I didn't say what the giveaway was for either. So I'm going to send you some PayPal cash. I'll do a giveaway for later when I hit my real YouTube numbers. So I'm going to send you some cash. Maybe you can go get some lunch or something. You have my Discord. Are you in there? We had a winner yesterday. Twister was the winner last night. I do giveaways pretty much almost every day. For those of you who are not in the server, you can come join me. Looks like we're filling the gap back down, huh? Hard to tell with this price action. I'm gonna go with the dip buy though. Oh snap. I have to take my L here. Do it. Not gonna happen, huh? Yeah, chicken out too early. Go. Yes. Send it up. Aw, not again. Do it. Send it. Ah, scared. Come on, baby. Yes. Go. Go. Do it. Come on. Shoot. Shoot it up. Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Go, go, go. All right, I gotta take that 500. Yeah, I didn't really get much out of that one. I thought we would. I didn't have it in me to hold. Trailing Jolie got me by the nuts in a vice grip. Look, I had the right idea too. All right, at least I closed it out green. Scared money. All right, we're gonna have to lock ourselves out because that was a little bit of a nail biter. All right, I'm gonna pay Shameless Fiona. Did everybody dip out now that the giveaway's over? Who's still here? How much I left on the table? Oh man, I left the breakout 20 extra points on the table. With 30 micros, that would have got me another 1200, yeah, 1200 bucks. I left 1200, probably even a lot more. I just locked myself out, Chimbub. I need to calm down after that one. Look, I DCA'd, and then got out like a scared trader here. I did it all wrong. Fuck, I left a lot more on the table. Oh man, my heart is hurting. Cash App. I think I have Cash App, but then you have my phone number, right? You just wanna wait until I have an eval to give you? I can hook you up with a nice eval, but you might have to wait a couple days. Man, I'm a little bit annoyed right now. Look at what I did, guys. I had the right idea. That would have got me over the buffer for sure. God, this is why it's so important to hold your winners. I'm still green. I should still be happy. I'm happy. All right, calm down, Travis. We're good. Shameless Fiona. Everybody, put down in the comment section below. Where are you from? Fiona? Are you from? Are you still dating Shrek? Or did you upgrade from him? Yeah, that's gonna be the most annoying trade of the week right here. You're from Kentucky. Okay, I used to live in Kentucky. I used to live in Florence. You know where that's at? Damn, I left all that on the table. I'm so pissed. I can't stop being pissed right now. That's 70 points right there with 33 minis. Oh, you live in Hebron. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's right next door to where I used to live. You ever heard of Banklick Park? I also used to live in Erlanger for a little while. Man. Yeah, at the airport there. I had a friend who was homeless who lived there. NYC was good. Short Acres. He's close to me where I'm at now. Fuck, man. Are you in the Discord yet? Because then I can connect with you and get you your eval. Hey, Balaji's here. You caught that long? Let's go. I'm green on all my accounts. Just a little bit annoyed at myself for because I had too much size on for my comfort. That's all it is. I need to slow down. I haven't had a payout in like a week and a half, so I'm kind of itching here. I'm feeling the pressure burst pipes here, or they can make diamonds, right? Look at this exit here. So bad. And that would have made my day right there. Made my week. Yeah, no sense in sulking about it now. All right, you can see we're only 1 point away from the IB right here. You see that green line, the initial balance? It likes to test and then maybe do a retrace, or it could break out through here. Maybe even break this level here. We'll see what it does. IB traders are watching this area. Who all is an edge full IB trader here besides me? I have so many message requests. Can you just who are you in the Discord? What's your name? Are you Dorothy? Okay. Such a terrible trade. Please don't praise me. People will come in here and they say, "Hey, it looks very nice," and then I start doing fucking up. Mr. Knife Art, I actually went for it down here, and I was in some drawdown, and it popped up a little bit, and I got out because of the drawdown. I was scared, and look what I left on the table. I got out with my longs here. I left a good 100 points on the table here. It just didn't stop. So I locked myself out because I was so pissed. Now I'm sitting here like, what the hell? I would have got to the buffer for sure. It's okay though. Are you serious? There's a scammer in there pretending to be me already? Can you send me? Why is there someone always trying to scam? I don't get it. Send me a screenshot. 2 messages from. I only see one Dorothy in here. Now, whenever I send someone a message, I have to do these. Prove you're not prove you're a human. And these things they want me to do are so stupid. Pick the arrow that breaks the chain. I picked like 15 times. The one has a underscore. I'll show you who's me. You don't. This is me right here. My computer's freezing. Yeah.
And I wanted to see if you wanted to come to lunch. Since I'll be going out of town, we could get some together time.
Okay.
I don't know if you wanted to do that today.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
All right, honey. Well, you want to go get some pho?
I made a slight bit of money on the way down and a slight bit of money on the way up.
That's nice.
Yeah, so
You're doing good?
dug myself out of the hole a little bit. I'm still a little bit in the hole because I'm trying to guess what's gonna happen.
Just take it easy. Don't force anything. It's big swing and range here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll go eat lunch later. What time do you want to go? Can you wait till 1?
I'll try.
12:30? You're already hungry, aren't you? I don't even know if I want to trade anymore. 1,200. This is my equity high of the day. 1,300. Maybe I should just lock this up. I can't blow up on day one. All right. We're just going to take it easy here. I could still do more giveaways if we get our numbers up. I'd like to get back to 100 people a day, concurrent. We're lacking. I'm not going to slow down though. Oh man, sorry to hear you, Leo. I'm doing good today. My two evals are halfway. I made 1,300 on my pro account. I did buy the bottom here and chicken out right as it was ripping. So I got out with a small win and then I watched it go 100 points without me. So a little bit annoyed by that, but it's okay. Traders launch, I hit my goal here. So I just need to make 350 bucks tonight or tomorrow and then try to get the buffer, and then anything above 1K on the buffer, I can take daily payouts there. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Might just go ahead and I really want to get fully funded here and then Lucid. I just want to have a whole bunch of daily payout accounts. Yeah, I've been there. Do you have any funded left to hopefully get a payout on? Maybe if you're here when I do a giveaway, you might have a chance to win one of them. Uh, Fiona won a eval earlier, and Donna won. Two lady traders have won recently. Fiona, Donna, and actually April won on the X. So three lady traders have won recently on the stream and on my X account. One guy, Twister won last night because I was streaming last night. So four people, three girls, one guy. Usually my viewers are like 93% men. How do I know they're ladies? Well, April's been a friend of mine for a while. I've talked to her in real life, so I know she is female. Fiona, uh, she says she's a lady. Her name is Fiona. I don't know many guys named Fiona. Donna. Her name is very much a old-fashioned lady female name. So unless they're catfishing, pretending to be someone they're not, or pretending to be a different gender. So yeah, we're kind of stuck here. The EMAs start to converge like this. We're in like a triangular pattern. 12 I've always questioned you. Yeah. If this trading shit doesn't work out for me, I'm definitely gonna swap genders and go play in the WNBA. I think I can. Angel Reese, Caitlin Clark. Come on, I can ball better than them, even in my 40s. Have you seen that Frenchman who French woman, Frenchman? He's like 6'7" or something, dominating in Europe in women's basketball. And he's like, yeah, if they want to call me over to the WNBA, I'm definitely going. The YouTube channel for rock slinging. Interesting. You want to share that here? Share in the Discord. I'm kind of curious. I don't think we're going to go very far in this market today. Look at the hourly chart, guys. This is what we got to work with. We're above the 200 EMA, so it's bullish, but it's not really going anywhere. We're just kind of stuck in this. I already took a couple range bound top and bottom trades, so I made some money on those. All right, looks like the buyers bought it up from 80s. Now we're at 600 again. 600 is like a magnet now. I'm down to take a short here, though. Give me a quick. Oh, there we go. Took 140 bucks. This is the way, right? To get to the buffer, take those quickies. I did leave some money on the table there too. I think I'm going to lock this up for the day. Is that a bad idea? My goal was to not blow up on day one. Okay, I'm just going to lock it up. There, it's done. I didn't blow up on day one, and I closed it out. Equity high, 1,400 bucks. That's a good day. Was that a good call, chat? Hey, Hindi, how we doing? All right, I want to get funded and keep them. So we're going to start doing more of that. I'm going to try to stop thinking about whether I got to the buffer or not on day one. That's going to force me to want to lock in more green days to kind of inch my way to be more disciplined and Now I can have my good mood for the rest of the day. All right, honey, I locked it up. 1,400 on the funded. All my evals are green, and I'm bored as shit. And I already did a giveaway. What do they want from you? I might have to go back to making this Discord. Trading with Travis with 2 S's? Really? Come on, scammers. Member since January 5th. Scammer since January 5th. Jeez. Come on, scammers. Just learn how to trade. I don't know how many times I've done giveaways and people try to claim that they're the winner, too. Let me go look in the list of people. I can try to get rid of them. How did they make a profile so fast? They're not in my Discord, these scammers. I think they probably think your name is kind of old-fashioned, and they're like, maybe, I'm not trying to say you're a senior, but someone that they might be able to try and take advantage of. I don't know. Don't send them any crypto. You're already smart enough to realize that they're scammers anyway, so I'm not worried about it. It does annoy the hell out of me, though, that people try. Hey, Yo Jim. All right, I've locked up my pro account, and my anxiety went away immediately. Okay, Fiona. A little bit older than me. What generation is everybody? If you don't want to say your exact age, you can say like you're in your 40s, mid 40s. I'm mid 40s. I'm pretty sure most of the people are 30s, 40s, and up in here, with maybe a few Gen Z trolls occasionally. I'm not saying that all Gen Z are trolls, but most of the ones that do come in here and talk shit are. All right, we got one Gen Z morality check. You don't seem like what I just said. So, you in your 30s? Or that would be a millennial, right? 30, okay. Oh, okay, 27. Yeah, that's nice. I wonder if you're the youngest person in here. Anybody younger than 27? All right, me and 12vac are about the same age. Maybe I'm at the low end of the Gen X. I could be millennial. I'm really close to millennial. 22 is the youngest so far. Hey, Min's here. How we doing? Long time. Where you been, my buddy? My good old pal. Wait, I saw you in the Discord not that long ago. How you doing, man? Ghost Knight is the youngest. I think, man, you're probably like what, 25, 26, if I remember correctly. Trading under the radar, gotcha. Nothing like some good old isolated trading to get your focus in. 20, 29. Okay. Thought you were a little bit younger. All right. All my trading is pretty much locked up and done for the day. I don't feel like doing any eval purchasing at the moment, not until I get some more payouts. Trying to decide what to do. Maybe I do a reset on one of these TPTs. I am determined to get fully funded. For some reason, whenever I buy accounts in the middle of the day and I always get chopped up. So I have been doing much better recently about trading only like the first 2 hours of the day, first 2, 3 hours, unless I trade in the middle of the day, doing small, super small size. Nighttime trading has actually been better, and I streamed last night. So if you guys want to start coming around for the nighttime streams, I would like to have you. And we did a giveaway then as well. My wife's about to go out of town and she wants to hang out and go have lunch. So I'm gonna go do that with her. We're gonna go eat some pho. All my trading's done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow or tonight. You'll have a good one. Thanks for hanging out, and hit the like on the way out if you don't mind. And it helps the channel, and I'll do more giveaways. Like I said, we had a winner earlier. Congrats to Fiona. I'm gonna go eat some lunch with the missus. Y'all have a good afternoon.